Welcome viewers Mac to my Mac official YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how can repair a PST file, which is Outlook data files. So first go to uh, my computer and find scanpst.exe in C drive where data program files were installed and open it. Okay, now open and then go to control panels, mail 32 bits data file. You can find here, open the file location. Okay, otherwise you can also find data file from manually like this path. Okay, C user administrator app data local Microsoft Outlook. I can show you. Go to C drive user administrator app data local Microsoft Outlook. This data we want to repair and it's having error, so copy the path and go to open the scan pst and browse the path location, paste the path. You can find manually also. Go to PC, C drive, users, administrator, app data, local, Microsoft and Outlook folder. We find here the PST file. Open it and start the scanning. Okay, it will take 1 of 8. Okay, it's done the scanning. It will, remember, it can be take more time, half an hour, 1 hour. It's depend on volume of data size. Okay, now completed the scanning and error were found in this file. To repair this error, click repair. So uncheck the Mac backup, it's not required. Repair now. It also takes some time, but my file is very small size in MB, so it's repaired very quickly. Okay, done. Then I go to mail. Otherwise we can open Outlook, mail, open export. Otherwise go to account setting, data files, add data files which we scanned. Go to same path, user administrator app data local Microsoft Outlook, this file one. Click OK and now connected it. Now file came. I am checking it's working or not. Okay, yes, file came. I have some files, so it's came. Okay, file is working, repairing done successfully. So viewers, please like and subscribe my YouTube channels for viewing new troubleshooting IT related videos and new updates. Thank you for watching.